Today I'm going to be going over how to insert scripts and functions into our head, body, and externally on HTML. So if you'll follow me to, first off, let's go to our telnet where we have these already, and we're just going to be using this page. So if you follow me to w3schools.com, go down to JS where to, and here we go over the script tag. So let's go ahead and use that in the bottom here, below this button. Actually, below the closing mark of the button there. Script. Then document.get element by ID. Demo inner HTML equals my first JavaScript. And we'll save that, refresh, and here's my first JavaScript. So it changed to one up here because we've used inner HTML before. And now it has both messages. So it has hello JavaScript because of that previous one that we added in, and it has my first JavaScript. So now going into inserting JavaScript in the head, let's go up to our head, right there, and we're going to do a function, my function, document.get element by ID. Demo inner HTML equals paragraph changed. And it has to be inside of a script, so we'll do script and then close the script off down here. And then over here, I'm going to put in to a paragraph, ID equals demo, a paragraph. On click equals my function. Try it, and then close off the button. Okay, so let me break down the mechanics here. So right here we put in the ID demo, and the function that we have up here in our script is demo. So that's the ID. That's where you put in the ID for whatever you want. So let's say we change that to number 1. Then we would also have to change it down here because we want that function to apply to this. So if we save that, go back up here, paragraph, paragraph changed. Let's change that back to demo, and we get the same result as you can see here, demo. So that is the routing. That's how the paragraph. Oh, we have a lot of things set up as demo right now. So yeah, for this exercise, change that to something else. If you already have the other ones in there. If you have more than one demo, then it's gonna confuse the program. So paragraph, just give it any name. 1. Oh. There. So that way that function, the function that we have up here, does not interfere with all the other ones that we have over here. Well, these aren't functions, but this is the JavaScript that we have in the paragraphs down here. So change the ID, and if you want to do like a different function for something else, change the ID so it applies only to that thing. If you want one to apply to everything, then have it all the same ID. Alright, so that's the mechanics of that, and let's continue. In the body. So we've been putting a lot of stuff in the body. You have a script in the body, but we don't have any functions. We have the scripts in here, but we don't have any of these functions in here. So let's go ahead and create one. Let me space this out so it's easier to identify as a button right there. There. So function or script, and then close off the script, and in between function, my function. Document dot get element by ID, and we're going to change the name. So let's change it, instead of demo, since we already have a bunch of demos, we'll do paragraph 2 dot inner HTML equals paragraph changed. We close up, well, we already closed off the script. Okay, so save that. Let's go back to our tests page, a paragraph. So what went wrong here? Let's see. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph changed. So this was meant to apply to one of these that we previously did. Let's see. Paragraph change for demo. ID equals demo for paragraph. ID equals paragraph 1, paragraph. Okay, so we need to assign paragraph 2 here. Let's go down here and let's set that up. P ID equals paragraph 2 a paragraph. close it off, save that. Now let's make a button underneath. Type equals button. On click equals my function. Try it, and then close the button. Refresh, and now it's changing the paragraph. Okay, so now external JavaScript. So we basically link to it like we do for our CSS. We put it into an external file, and then pull the function from that file, apply the ID in our HTML, and have it pull the function from that file. So this way you could make it so that it's a lot more organized. You don't have to have a mix of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all in one page. That would get confusing. So if you want to do this professionally, keep them separated in their own individual files. And it's also a lot easier to identify if there's a mistake when you have them separated and updated as well. So let's go ahead and create a new file here. And then we're going to write this function in real quick. Function, my function, document.get element by ID demo inner HTML equals paragraph changed. And let's save that as JavaScript .js. JavaScript functions.js. Save that. And now we have it saved as a JavaScript file. So now let's go back to our telnet page that we have the lab on this for. Lab for this on telnet. And then in the body, script source, and this is how you link to it. So what did we name it? It was functions or JavaScript functions.js. And then you close off the script, save that, and we haven't really changed anything here yet. But that's how you link to it. That's how it can pull the script from that file to apply it to our IDs over here that we set up for each individual thing. Alright, and here it just goes through a couple semantics about the benefits of having an external JavaScript file. Okay, so that'll be all for today. I'll catch you in the next one.